Proper car seat installation for child safety. As a parent or caregiver, one of the most important responsibilities is ensuring the safety of your child, especially when traveling by car. Proper car seat installation and usage are crucial in protecting your little ones from potential harm in the event of a collision or sudden stop. Unfortunately, statistics show that a significant number of car seats are installed incorrectly, compromising the safety of the children they are designed to protect. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into proper car seat installation for child safety. The importance of proper car seat installation. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, car crashes are a leading cause of death for children ages 1 to 13. Properly installing and using car seats can reduce the risk of fatal injury by up to 71% for infants and 54% for toddlers. These staggering numbers highlight the critical role that car seats play in keeping your children safe while on the road. Types of car seats and their appropriate usage. There are different types of car seats designed for different ages and sizes of children. Understanding which car seat is appropriate for your child is the first step in ensuring their safety. 1. Rear-facing car seats. These seats are designed for infants and young children up to 2 years old, or until they reach the maximum height and weight limit specified by the manufacturer. Rear-facing seats offer the best protection for a child's head, neck, and spine in the event of a crash. 2. Forward-facing car seats. Once your child has outgrown the rear-facing seat, they should transition to a forward-facing car seat with a harness. These seats are typically recommended for children between the ages of 2 and 7, or until they reach the maximum height and weight limit specified by the manufacturer. 3. Booster seats. Booster seats are designed for older children who have outgrown their forward-facing car seats, but are still too small for the vehicle's seatbelt to fit properly. Booster seats elevate the child, allowing the seatbelt to fit correctly across their lap and shoulder. 4. Seatbelts. Once your child has reached the appropriate height and weight, typically around 4.9 tall and between 80–100 pounds, they can start using the vehicle's seatbelt system without a booster seat. Proper installation techniques. Installing a car seat correctly is just as important as choosing the right type of seat for your child. Here are some essential tips for proper car seat installation. 1. Read the instructions. Always read and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully for both the car seat and your vehicle's owner's manual. 2. Use the correct anchors. Most modern vehicles are equipped with latch, lower anchors, and tethers for children, systems or seatbelt anchors specifically designed for car seat installation. Ensure you are using the appropriate anchors for your car seat and vehicle. 3. Secure the seat. Once installed, the car seat should not move more than an inch in any direction when pulled at the belt path. If it moves too much, it is not installed securely enough. 4. Adjust the harness. The harness straps should be snug against your child's body, with no more than 1 finger's width of space between the strap and your child's chest. 5. Rear-facing placement. Rear-facing car seats should be installed at the appropriate recline angle, typically between 30 and 45 degrees, to prevent the child's head from falling forward in a crash. 6. Vehicle seat position. When possible, install the car seat in the rear middle seat, as it is the safest position in the event of a side impact collision. Proper usage and safety checks. Even with correct installation, it is essential to ensure your child is properly secured in the car seat every time you travel. Here are some tips for proper usage and safety checks. 1. Snug harness. The harness straps should be tight enough that you cannot pinch any excess webbing at the shoulder. 2. Chest clip. The chest clip should be positioned at armpit level to keep the harness straps properly positioned on the shoulders. 3. Rear facing until 2. Keep your child rear facing until they reach the maximum height and weight limit for their rear facing car seat, typically around 2 years old. 4. Avoid bulky clothing. Dress your child in thin layers to ensure the harness straps can be tightened properly. 5. Regular checks. Periodically check that the car seat is still installed securely and that the harness is properly adjusted as your child grows. 6. Avoid second-hand seats. It is generally recommended to avoid using second-hand car seats as you cannot be certain of their history or potential damage. By following these guidelines and prioritizing your child's safety, you can significantly reduce the risk of injury in the event of a car accident. Remember, proper car seat installation and usage are not just legal requirements, but also a crucial responsibility as a parent or caregiver. If you are unsure about the correct installation or usage of your car seat, seek assistance from a certified child passenger safety technician or consult with your local law enforcement or fire department. They can provide hands-on guidance and ensure that your child is properly secured for every journey. And that concludes our discussion on proper car seat installation for child safety. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY automotive content and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.